welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Yanis, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video I am going to show you guys how I crimp my hair and the steps and products I use before I use heat on my hair. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start, I actually don't wash my hair every day. I wash it every other day, if not every 3 days. But when I do wash my hair, this is the shampoo and conditioner I use, which is a L'Oreal Paris. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but the Dream Length shampoo. And then I also go in right after I get out the shower with this leave-in conditioner, and I also apply it right before I'm gonna put heat. And as well as this, I use this as a heat protectant. It is the Unwind by Hask red wine inspired repairing 10-in-1 leave-in spray, and it is anti-breakage, reduces damage, strengthens, eliminates frizz, and conditions, detangles, nourishes, smooths, shines, and thermal protection. So those are all the products I do use on my hair. And then since I do have really thick curly hair, I do have to straighten my hair before I either curl it or crimp it. So the straightener I do use is this Hot Shot Tools straightener, and I use it at 410. And then the crimper I'm going to be using is the Red Wave, the Bedhead Wave Artist, which looks like this. And then to straighten my hair, when I'm gonna crimp it or curl it, I kind of just go over it so it's not curly and it's not super frizzy. Let me spray this. I didn't spray this. And then I do section off my hair. And like I said, I'm not really gonna straighten it super flat, like the perfect straight. I'm kind of just gonna go over it, especially on the roots, so it's not as frizzy. And I kind of just do the roots so I can flatten it out. So when I leave all my hair down, since it's short, it's not so poofy. So if you notice, I'm kind of not even straightening the tips of my hair. I'm just going through the roots and making sure that that is super straight and flat, because I don't want to put too much heat onto my tips since the crimper will be going all the way down. And that is the first bottom half. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and start crimping it, just because I don't want to make this video so long. So I'm gonna fast forward through the whole thing of where I'm doing my hair. And when I'm going to crimp it, I try to start from the bottom and then work myself up and the rest of my head. But I do get a little section about this big, and obviously I don't want to burn off my ear, so I don't start right on my ear. I start right about there. And this was a lot easier when I had my longer hair, but so right now it might even take me less time to do it, since it is shorter, and it might only take 2 times to do it. And then you just follow the wave. So right now what I did, it's 3 barrels, so it's 3 waves. So if I were to do it again, I would, if my hair were longer, I would start on a wave already and crimp it. I will show you guys again with another piece. So this is my piece, and it doesn't matter what size you get, it's completely up to you. I mean, it is your hair and the way you style it. So I am doing this. I leave it on there for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then it's already waved, so I go right where that wave ended, and then I press on it. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, guys. I have to look at myself in the mirror so I don't burn myself. But while I was doing this video, since I mean there's not much to talk about hair, I did want to mention that I did become an ambassador for a boutique on Instagram, and the boutique is called Boss Babe Boutique, and they did give me a discount code. So this actually, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me scoot up a little bit. This is one of the tops that I got from the boutique, and it's super cute, and it was super cheap too. So the boutique is very affordable, and you can get money off if you use my code, which is my name, Yanis, with 3 S's at the end. So it's YANISSS, and it's 15% off your purchase. And recently they have been putting new arrivals every night, and they do sell out of their products super fast because the stuff is super cute and affordable. And I will leave a link to their website as well as my discount code on the description in case you guys are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this bottom half with you guys, and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera just so I don't bore you guys, because I do have a lot of hair, so this does take me time. And then I will come back on to show you guys the finished product and the products I use at the end, just to make my hair look healthy and shiny. And this thing does go, the heat on this goes, actually it doesn't even show. So the heat on this is just high or low. Right now I think I have it kind of in the middle. I don't honestly know because it doesn't have numbers. But it is a really good crimper, and crimped hair is kind of in right now. So it's super cute. And then the straightener, it's a really good straightener. I believe it's ceramic plates. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I got it as a gift and I threw the box. But it does start at $250 and go all the way up to $450. And I think if you have it on for too long, like, turn off automatically. So far this is what my hair looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side, and when I get to this side, since I have a little bit more trouble doing this side, I don't know why, I do start from the back on the bottom. And if you notice, once I crimp my hair, like I grab it with the crimper, it doesn't start right at the roots, and that's kind of why I started straightening my roots at the beginning, or like I straighten them before I crimp, just because I do have frizzy curly hair. So I do need, if I don't do that, then I have really, like, I look like a lion. I have really poofy hair. So just straightening the roots helps me control it a little bit more. So this is what it looks like from the bottom. Let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see it. This is the back of it, and it looks super cute. And I mean, obviously it is gonna make my hair shorter just because I don't have the long hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera, and I will be right back with the finished product. Okay, so then this is the finished product. this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around, and that is how it looks from the back. But like I said, I do have short hair, so it makes my head, well, my hair look really big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to do a little bun, which I'm just gonna grab. And you can style your hair however you'd like. This is kind of just what I'm going for. You can even do just like a high pony if you wanted to. Which I might just do that because it's really hard to get the bun how I'd like it. So kind of just try my best to make it look even, like I tried to do my hair today. Especially right here from the side, since that's what shows. I try not to grab too much. Like this right here needs to go back down. And I do stuff like this. I do use little clear elastics. And I use multiple of them just because I have a lot of hair. And then I kind of just tighten it and spread the pony. And once that's done, since I do have like a lot of baby hairs, I do put bobby pins. But before I do that, I am gonna go in with this argan oil and just put a little bit on my hand and go through my hair with it, just so it looks a little bit healthier and not as damaged. Once I do that, then my hair is ready. I just need to put back my little baby hairs with bobby pins, and then I do grab a little piece of hair to twist around the elastic just so you don't see it, and then I pin that bobby pin on the bottom. And then I did get a really big bumper here, so I'm gonna go in with another bobby pin. I'm gonna get my baby hairs from this side, pin them back, and you could do this as a messy type of thing or just slick it back. And this is how my hair looks, and it's super poofy from the back, which is totally fine. I'd rather it be in the back than right here on my side of my face. But this is my finished product. This is what I use when I do style my hair. And then I did forget to mention that the crimper, or the waver, whatever you want to call it, I did get it from Walmart. And then my straightener, I did get it from Sally's. So this is the finished look. And then I am gonna go ahead and insert a picture or a selfie or something of my top, so you guys can see it, because I did look back to the footage and the top did not show. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video of mine. Also follow all my social medias, which are linked down below, as well as my discount code for Boss Boobs Boutique. I will see you guys next time. Bye.